Hello everyone and welcome to this class. Today we will be learning to draw bass clefs on the staff. So at the end of this class, it is expected that every pupil should be able to draw the bass clef into a staff. So as some sort of review, we know that a clef is simply a symbol that is placed at the beginning of a staff. What does it do? It shows us the names of the notes or the pitches that are on that staff. Now there are two common types of clefs in music. Of course we have more types, but the common types are the treble clef and the bass clef. And down here, this is what the treble clef looks like, also known as the G clef. Here I have the bass clef, also known as the F clef. The bass clef will show us that all the notes and pitches on the bass staff are as follows. In other words, if you have a bass staff, there are no names, but the moment you input a clef, it tells you that the names of the pitches or the notes on the lines and spaces are as follows: G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and finally A. Okay, if we look at the lines alone, if we isolate the lines, all the lines will go G, B, D, F, and A. Of course, we know that a simple reminder for this is good boys deserve favor always. Okay, as you can see, this note is centered on a line. Same with this, centered on the second line, third line, fourth line, and finally fifth line. Okay, first line is G, second line is B, third line D, fourth line F, and fifth line A. I hope you remember that we count the lines of a staff from the bottom to the top. And again, a simple reminder for this will be good boys deserve favor always. If we go to the spaces, we will see that the spaces on the bass staff are A, C, E, and G. Again, a simple reminder for this is all cows eat grass. Remember that we're dealing with spaces here. So you will see that the notes here are centered on the spaces. This is the first space, second space, third space, and fourth space. And again, those notes are A, C, E, and G. A simple reminder for this again will be all cows eat grass. So altogether, all the notes will go G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. Okay. Again, as already said, the bass clef is also known as the F clef. This is because the drawing begins on the F line of the bass staff. Okay, if you look at this drawing right here, you see that it begins on the F line. Okay, the F line, if you look at the first line, it goes good, second line is boy, third line is deserve, oops, and finally I have favor. So if you trace this line, sorry, forgive my very crooked line, you see that when you begin to draw the bass clef, you start on that line, okay, and that's why it's called the F clef. Also remember that the lines and spaces of a staff are counted from the bottom to the top. So let's look at how